Hello guys, I'm doing a video for GoPro 10 and I was doing a test on how to eliminate the shutdown of the camera when the battery is overheating. So I found out that you can use a power bank to power the GoPro 10 without the battery, and it does not overheat at all. And I keep recording. I've been recording it for almost an hour and it's still going. So to eliminate the overheating is to use a power bank handle grip for the GoPro 10, and this is how I did it. So this is the power bank I'm using, the BG-3 power bank grip with 10,000 power. So as you can see, it's working okay without the battery. Thank you. As you can see, the GoPro Hero 10 connected to a power bank grip. The brand name is Ulanzi, and as you can see, it's not overheating. So normally the camera will overheat when it reaches about 20 minutes of recording. So as you can see, it's been an hour and 10 minutes already and GoPro is still going.